Today you have prepared a project. So I want to tell that come on the podium and explain one by one. First of all, I want to call HARSHIT. Come with your project and explain in front of everyone.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected director sir for giving me the first opportunity to review my project in front of you all. So here I am collecting some plants. I would request cameraman to come here the project of mine and lecture all the plants that I have collected here. Here is the herbarium. It is the collection of all the leaves, some leaves that I have found in my surrounding. First is neem leaf. Here is something about it. Here you can see that it is written that it is used as medicine. Neem leaves, neem trees are attractive, broad leaves, evergreen, and there are other names too. And I have shown all my creativity in this project. And I would like to thanks again to my respected teachers for giving me this opportunity to preview something that I can preview.
Second chance, come TANNU.
First of all, today I introduce myself. My name is TANNU. I study class 8 from Scholars Educare. Today I completed this science project and I want to see everyone in the project. First, this is hibiscus leaf and its scientific name is Rosa sensicis and local name is hibiscus. So hibiscus grow in mid to late in summer and flowers are grow in typically pink, red and lavender red or burgundy. Some benefits of hibiscus like may help lower blood pressure, may help lower fat levels and may boost liver health, which is good for our health. And second, this is rose leaves and its scientific name is Rosa indica and the flowers start blooming in early in summer and they come in variety of flowers like in color white, pink, yellow, black, etc. And it is also support the body's natural collagen and product in our bodies protein responsible for healthy skin, nails and hair. And rose prevent cell damage and help in regenerating skin tissues. And next it's neem leaf and its scientific name is Regarsds indica. Generally it flowers from January to May and the ripening in time of fruits of its frame May to August. And many benefits of this leaf. Neem leaf is used for leprosy, eyes disorders, bloody nose, intentional worms, stomach upset and etc. And next is basil. Everybody knows is basil are also used for medicines. Its scientific name is Ocnium basilikum. It also called sweet basil. And it only grows outdoors in the summer and only once in the soil has warmed in the summer up nicely. There are many benefits like lower the risk of heart disease and bowel issues. Basil has antibacterial property. That's all.
Okay, thanks. Next, come Krishna Rai from 8th class.
Class 8 in Scholars Educare. I will express my project in front of you. First is lemon leaves. Lemons can be grown in all types of soils, light soil having good drains and suitable for its cultivation. And the scientific name of Citrus lemon. Lemon leaves are small in size and are oval, oblong and tapered to a point and not system ends. Second is mango leaves. Mango is a green plant and when grown in the summer seasons and scientific name of Mangifera indica. Mango leaves are generally harvested when new and small around And third is my rose leaf. Scientific name of rose leaf, Rosa indica. And the rose leaf is a size medium and color is green. And the rose leaf grow in all seasons. When they grow in garden, and this is fragrance in the color is red, and the rose leaves used for making medicinal properties. And fourth is my guava leaf. Scientific name of Isidium guava, and the color is green. Got the 4 cards in lack of stones. Flexible steam and the remove all the bark. Add 2 leaves. Guava grow best in hot area with do not forest, and guava is the grow in winter seasons. And last is my blackberry leaves. Scientific name of Gopalganj berry. The blackberry is grown in the summer season that is used for making medicines, and the blackberry sweet flavor of a good when grow in very easy to grow in the farm and sun full location with 6 to 8 hours to direct sunlight. And last in my papaya leaves. The scientific name of the papaya leaves used for making medicines just like that for fever and headache. That's it.
Thank you. Next, Riddhi Prajapati.
Well, I am Riddhi Prajapati from class 8. Now I complete my science project. In this project, we have collected many leaves, and now I collect 5 leaves. First of all, I am show my project. First is guava. Its scientific name is Pisidium guava. Guava is a common tropical fruit cultivated in many tropicals. The common guava is small tree in the Mytril family, native to Mexico. And second is tulsi. Tulsi's scientific name is Tulsi's local name is Holy Basis, and scientific name is Ophisma cariniflorum. Holy Basis is native to the Indian subcontinent and grows throughout Southeast Asia. The plant is widely used in folk medicines, often as a herbal dish for a variety of the ailments, and is considered sacred in Hinduism. Third is blackberry. Its scientific name is Regarsds. The blackberry is an edible fruit produced by many species in the genus Regarsds in the families. Hybrids among these species within the subgenus Regarsds and the antibiotics, vitamins and minerals found in blackberries.
Thanks. Next from Priyanshu Rai.
Good morning all of you. I am Regarsds from class 8 Scholars Educare. Today I show my science project in front of you. First is my rose leaf. Its scientific name is Rosa indica. The rose leaf is size in medium and color is green. The rose leaf grow in all season. When the grow in garden, and this fragrance is very beautiful. Second is my guava leaf. Its scientific name is Pisidia ozua. It is green color plant cut 4 to 6 inch length of young flammable stem. Then remove all but the top 2 leaves. Guava grow best in hot area which do not get forest. The third is my hibiscus leaf. Its scientific name is Hibiscus rosa. If planting in the ground, choose a well-drained location. The get full sun for the best flowering in hot area where the grow in sandy soil. Thank you.
Friends, at last I want to call Sophia Yasmin.
First, and say my very well. Thank you so much for giving me a golden chance to introduce my ability. First of all, I'm Sophia and I'm student of class 8 by Scholars Educare, and today I'm collect some leaves. First, papaya leaves. Papaya leaves contain unique plants compounds. Papaya leaves contain over 50 ingredients, include vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And it proteins, carbohydrates, calcium, phosphorus, iron, proteins, and second, fruits leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, etc. And third is the neem leaves. The neem leaves is a large green eagle tree. There is a grew up to 20 meters in height with expanding branches that from a branch. Fourth is guava leaves. Guava leaves are a rich source of vitamins, healthy. Fifth is people leaves have been traditionally used in the transmission of health.
Projects on TANNU.
And sixth is the banyan tree. The banyan tree is scientifically known as Fisher's bank. It is a large and green tree. And last is rose leaves. The leaves grow on alternate side of the stem. There is a short board loaded called the stickle at the base of the long leaves. It is used to make many types of flavor.
Thanks to all of you that you have prepared these types of projects. I am happy. At last I want to call my principal sir, tell something about your futures. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
The performance of today are very beautiful and attractive. Knowledgeous performance from you all, and I have listened every topics, every sentence, every word of yours, and you have explained your project very nicely. So we all glad with your performance, with you here, and I am very happy. Personally, I have looked your all performance, and I hope your life will be bright in future, and you will be success if you continue this type of performance in your future. Thank you.
Thank you. At last I want to call your science teachers, Manjha sirs. Tell something about these projects.
Good morning, sir.
This project belongs to a part of science which is known as botany, and you all have collected the parts of different plants, different leaves, and the scientific name was perfect, and you all have collected its measurement, that what type of plant is used this for, how much is it long, what is its uses. And some of you have given that hibiscus leaf that is used in curing a low blood pressure, which means sometimes people suffering from cardiac arrest. Then the medicine which is bought by hibiscus is used. That was a great knowledge. And again, I will repeat the words of principal sir that told that if you are continuing these types of projects in future, then one day you will able to write a book which will belongs to by you all, and it will be named that the book of botany by class 8 or class 9. Thank you.